This is second day of improving my English, and yesterday I have done practicing a video by seeing in the mirror, and next I have read a story about the dragon of Karku, and it is a story like killing a dragon, and the name of Karku, the Karku is the name of king who killed the dragon, and it is a Kharkov is a city in Poland. It is located in southern land, and it is derived from the Polish word, Polish mythology, and the story about the killing dragon. And Kharkov is a person who lives in forest, and person lives in forest, and nearby there is one village, and in that village there is a dragon that killing like people and sheep or buffaloes or anything in that village. They wanna give daily one food for it, like a sheep or goat or a human. Day by day, the goats and sheep in the village are decreasing. So he noticed it, and after that, and he decided to kill the dragon. Then his strength is not enough to kill dragon, so like that he went all over the village by wandering slowly around the village, and searching for a wise person like who is having ability to understand all everything, and also judging correct things and good things. Then he never saw a person who is very wise and having a good knowledge, etc. So after that, he living village. At last he saw a cobbler. Then he went to him. He is a very old man, and by looking at his home, he saw an electronic device, and at the ceiling, and some are placed on the placed inside the home, and he was shocked how he made it. Then he went to him and called a cobbler. After that, he the old man also the old man also talked to Karku. Then he said that why you made this electronic device. So the cobbler said he made this electronic device for his son, but his son was not there. The dragon killed him. After that, the Karku told that old man, I have an idea to kill dragon, because that electronic device are bombs or blast items which use sulfur in it. So he got an idea that you want to keep sulfur some amount of sulfur inside the sheep and give to dragon. After eating it, it will got killed like blasting. Then after that, the wise man, the old man also listened his idea, and after that they got implemented this idea, and the Karako taken the sheep to dragon and given to it. After eating that, it was killed, and all people are celebrating and cheering. And next they made the Karku as the king of Karku. They made King Karku, and etc. The words I learned yesterday is like wisdom. He is having good judgment and understanding the situations. And next, flesh is a combination of muscle and fat. Next, third word is flames. It is when we fired after some time it got slowed around it, there will be a red and red sparks. It's called a flame. Next, I will terrorize. Terrorize means like terrorize means feeling unsafe. Like in previous story, there was the people were terrorized by the dragon. Terrorize means feeling unsafe. And wisdom. Next word, cobbler. A cobbler is a person who stitches or repairs the shoes. Next, wander. Wander means walking slowly without any goal, etc. And that's all. And thank you.